What's up guys, how's it going? Today, I'm going to be setting up and reviewing Swipe, a bidet brought to you by your favorite streamer, Ludwig. Alright, so let's first see what we get in the box here. Comes with the T connection, so your regular toilet water hose goes directly through there and it branches off, where this hose goes to the bidet. And here we have it. And also in the box is this tape in case any leaks appear. And so how it connects is it uses the hinges from your toilet seat. These are adjustable, and so it uses the original mounting hardware for the seat and mounts just like that. Then last in the box here, we have our instruction manual, which shows what we get and how to set it up. Alright, so our first step is to remove the toilet seat. And for me, I just pop these open, and they are plastic Phillips head screws. Alright, now you can just lift off the toilet seat. So now, you are going to shut off the cold water valve to your toilet. Just like so. Now you can press and hold down the lever to drain all the water from the tank. Alright, now it's time to disconnect our hose here from the tank, and I am using a bowl just to be safe. So mine appears to be some sort of quick release, but if yours is not, you might need some sort of wrench. There we go. Alright, so now you're going to take your T valve here. See the rubber washer in there. You're just going to screw it on right where we disconnected the original hose. It goes on very easy, like so. Make sure it is very tight. Can use a wrench for this also. Now we can take our new hose. It doesn't matter which end you use. Just screws right on there. Just like that. Now our original hose just goes into the bottom of this. Alright, so now it's time to install our bidet. You just line up the holes here for your hinge mounts. Now it's time to reinstall the seat. So you're just going to line it like that. And place this right on top. And tighten it up. Alright. So now it's time to connect our hose to the bidet. Goes right under here on this black threaded connection. Once you've gotten it nice and tight, it's time to test out the functions. Alright, now it says to turn on your water valve and check for any leaks. So it says to turn slowly. Sounds like it's working. Don't see any leaks yet. Now the instructions say to leave it for about 5 to 10 minutes and come back to check if there's any leaks, and then we can begin use. Alright, we can now peel this off and test it out. Okay, so there's a setting for the front wash and rear wash, and also for the self-cleaning of respectively each nozzle. So we know that that works. Now let's test out the rear wash, see if it's as effective. I'm gonna hold the towel here first now. This time. Alright. Got plenty of pressure. And there we go. You'll see that the self-clean goes like that. And then the front and rear wash spray with quite high pressure. Out like so. Alright, so for my final rating, the build quality is quite nice. Although I wish that maybe these squares weren't quite as big, and it'd be nice if there was a 90-degree angle adapter, either included or optional for the hose, just to make it look a bit cleaner there. So in conclusion, I would get it an 8.5 out of 10. So thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the very next video.